Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a clean canvas. Wash and dry the area to remove oils so the serum penetrates. Once done, do a patch test on your inner arm for 24 hours to check sensitivity. Next, measure 5 to 1. 0 ml, a small dropperful is often enough, and dispense onto your fingertips. Apply gently using circular motions. This helps distribution and increases absorption. Make sure to avoid broken skin or mucous membranes, because that changes how the product acts and may irritate. You'll now establish a routine. Plan for 1 to 2 applications daily, mornings or nights depending on how your skin reacts. Once you dispense, massage for 30 to 60 seconds. This mechanical action increases blood flow and helps the serum penetrate evenly. If you use other actives, wait 20 minutes before layering, because immediate mixing can reduce effectiveness or cause irritation. Track results and sensations. If redness or stinging persists beyond a few days, reduce frequency so you can still gain benefits safely. You're finishing each session by sealing the bottle and storing it at room temperature, away from direct light. That preserves potency. Make sure to follow the label for opened life, commonly 6 to 12 months, and discard after expiry. If irritation, burning, or unexpected swelling happens, stop use immediately and rinse the area with cool water, then retest a small patch after a few days. If severe or persistent symptoms occur, consult a clinician. This keeps you safe and lets you continue the routine effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.